Mina is doing over $100,000 per month selling his supplements on Amazon. Carla made $82,000 last year selling her herbal tea. Troy did $6,000 in 1 month selling his tennis grips. Michael did $12,000 in a month selling his kitchen trays. And I created one product that has done over $1 million on Amazon. And if we can do this, you can do this too. And I'm gonna show you how you can do this in this video right here. And I've shared a lot of these success stories on my YouTube channel, but we're not alone. Last year, there was over 200,000 people that made over $100,000 on Amazon. And right now we're going through an e-commerce boom. 2 years ago, e-commerce only made up 12% of all retail sales. Last year, with everything that happened, that jumped up to 16%, and it's going to continue to increase. And I share these numbers on my channel all the time because I don't want you to miss this opportunity, because right now is the perfect time to start selling on Amazon. The problem is most people fail on Amazon because they do it wrong. Most people try to do retail arbitrage and are never able to grow a business, or they try wholesaling someone else's product only to find that they have a ton of competition, or they try private labeling some junk product and it just never works for them. And I don't recommend doing any of those. What I'm gonna show you in this video is a 3-step process that if you can use, you can have success on Amazon. The first step is to create a product to sell. Do not sell the same junk as everybody else on Amazon. If you sell the same junk as everyone else, you're gonna get the same junk results. AJ was a bartender for 10 years, and last year, in the middle of everything going on, he found himself without a job. And so he started working with me to develop an Amazon product. And within just a few weeks, we found an idea for him. Basically, he turned his love and knowledge for making cocktails and turned it into a set of 100 flashcards so people can learn how to make cocktails at home themselves. Now, he didn't have enough money to start this business, so we ended up launching it as an Indiegogo, and within 24 hours, he raised $20,000 for his product. Brent is a first responder and a helicopter pilot, and he had an idea to make a product called Sear Pro, which is basically a flamethrower that can be used as a kitchen utensil. And he raised $15,000 in 30 days for his product. Jeremy raised over $11,000 with his product Slim Caddy, and David raised over $6,000 with his Hustle and Fit gym bag. And I created a better, healthier, on-the-go nut butter product and raised around $15,000 on Kickstarter. The key to having success on Amazon is to create a product that is better than the competition, and it's not hard to do. I'm gonna show you how to find an idea and how to create a better product later in this video. And the best part is you don't need a lot of money to start. AJ was able to pay for all of his startup costs just from Indiegogo. The next step is to get your product manufactured, and you can go to sites like Alibaba.com to find someone that can manufacture your product for you. And this is easier than it's ever been. All you have to do is go on the website, find someone, start a conversation with them, and they will make it easy for you to get your product manufactured. Or if you want to find a manufacturer in the United States, you can use sites like thomasnet.com or other options I'll talk about later. Keep in mind, their job as the manufacturer is to make it as easy as possible for you to be able to create your product. They only get paid if they can help you make your product. And the third step is to launch your product on Amazon. And Amazon has over 100 million Prime customers that are all looking to buy your product. And last year, they did over $400 billion in revenue. And the thing that's really nuts about all of this is they let people like us sell products on this giant website. Amazon is a $1.6 trillion company, but yet 2/3 of all sales that happen on Amazon are from third-party sellers. That's people like me, people like Mina, Troy, Carla, and it could be you too. And I'll be honest, it does take some work to get started. But the amazing thing about Amazon FBA is once you get your product up and launched on Amazon, it's pretty much passive. And that's because FBA stands for Fulfilled by Amazon. Basically, you send your products into the Amazon's warehouse, and anytime you get an order on their giant website, their giant platform, they pick, pack, and ship your product out, meaning you don't have to do the work. You can spend your time doing whatever you love doing, traveling, living wherever in the world you want to live. And this method works so well, I even taught my girlfriend how to do this, and she had no experience doing anything like this, but yet she was able to make enough money to be able to quit her job, and last month she made $5,000 from her Amazon business. And best of all, she's selling a product, and everybody else that I've talked about in this video is selling a product on Amazon that they're actually passionate about, that they actually love working on. So yes, a lot of people are becoming millionaires from Amazon, but a lot of other people are just making a little extra side income to be able to pay the bills or spend a little bit more money traveling and doing the things that they love doing. But the truth is, everyone that creates a successful Amazon FBA business ends up getting a little bit more freedom in their lives. And I created an Amazon FBA business that helped me make an extra $100,000 per year passive income for the last few years. And That's been able to free up my time, free up my energy to spend my life doing the things I love doing, traveling, living where I want to live. And I share a ton of content on this YouTube channel for free on how you can start your own Amazon FBA business. But I'm looking to take a small number of people and help them in depth with starting their own Amazon FBA businesses. And my hope is to be able to accelerate your results so you can create a passive income business faster and make more money. Create a business that you're passionate about, that you love working on, that could make you an extra $100,000 plus profit per year. And I call this the passion product formula. And I'm so confident that if you follow my method, that you will have success, that if you don't at least make an extra $1,000 in your first year of selling on Amazon, I will personally give you $1,000. But my goal isn't to help you make an extra $1,000 a year. My goal is to help you make an extra $100,000 a year like I've been able to do and a lot of other people have been able to do. I just opened up my advanced Amazon training program and I'm only gonna be working with a small number of people because I wanna make sure I can give as much attention to everyone as possible. And I'm gonna be closing registration next week because I wanna help you get started as soon as possible. And I don't know if or when I will be reopening this, so if you wanna get started, you can click right here to learn more information. And if you end up seeing this after I close the registration, you can click right here to get on the wait list for the next time if I end up reopening it. But this opportunity is rare. So if you want my help in creating a six-figure passive income business on Amazon, click right here to learn more information. And hopefully I'll see you in the program.